everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Here's a quick tip for you, because Chef William stopped by. I'm going to talk about how to handle and save mushrooms so that they'll last like 3 times longer in the refrigerator. We have some small mushrooms here to talk to you about how to make your mushrooms last 3 times longer. Everybody, you know, William, they buy these mushrooms and they want to use them. It's so exciting to have mushrooms, you know, for your meal, but you put them in the refrigerator and when you go to use them, they're back. So here's the trick. You take a paper bag, you take the container, and you put them in the bag. Just like this. A little hard to do with a big container. And they're kind of stuck in there. So you put them in the bag, hold the bag. I would put the date on it and then put it in the refrigerator, and you will be amazed. Send me a comment after you try this. Your mushrooms will last 3 times longer than what they would if you just threw the container in. And you know, they say to do the same thing with meat. They say don't store meat in the container that it comes in because it leaks air. Air is really your enemy with storing food. So, and Ziploc bags don't work because they build moisture, which condensates and causes mold. So that's why people use the food saver bags and things like that. So there we go. We'll save those for another day. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.